All right, so now that we have performed our reflections, it's time to record the coordinates of the reflected points, and then see what sort of rule we can come up with. By the way, there's some major typos in this sheet, which I already printed them up, so we're not going to change them. But it says record the coordinates of each point after the indicated rotation. Well, we're dealing with reflections here, so replace this with reflection. And also down here, 90 degree, 180, 270. I mean, none of that applies to this situation. As you can see, I just started out with the rotation worksheet and changed it. And we aren't going to need any of these spaces over here because for each one of these, there's only one reflection. So you can just kind of cross all this out. The first one is the reflection across y equals negative x. The second one was, see, LUX, let's just make sure. Yep, that was across y equals x. Then down here, just gotta scribble all this out. This was across y axis. And over here, this was, scribble all this out, across x axis. Okay. So our original points for the first one were L is 1, 2, over 1 up 2. G is over 3 up 4, 3, 4. And Q is over 4 down 1, 4, negative 1. Now it's reflected. The reflected points were L, back 2, down 1. That's negative 2, negative 1. For 3, 4, we had, for G, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's back 4, down 3. Let's see, and for 4, negative 1, 4, negative 1 over here, it became 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. And so what you need to do is take a look at these and see if you can figure out what's the rule here. How would we take some random point xy and change it so that we had a reflection across that line, y equals negative x. All right, then you're going to go ahead and do the same. Just record the points, see if you can come up with a rule. Record the points, see if you come up with a rule. And over here across the x-axis, record the points and see if you come up with a rule. Good luck.